Hey, Nonna Pia.
Yeah.
You happy?
Yes.
What are you gonna make?
Bread.
Oh wow, we're gonna make bread today. All right.
Yeah.
Nonna, this pot. How old is this pot?
Oh, this past maybe 70.
70
Was
days.
My mother, when she was in West Virginia, I have a nice pot.
This is
It's
the
what I like. É vecchia. First step, we put the flowers in and the pot.
The salt goes in, all by the eye, right? Nonna, you don't measure.
No.
Never. Get some hot water. What's that, Nonna?
The yeast, I do my way, Antonio.
I guess that much amount of yeast.
Hands are clean, eh?
What do you got? Wash your hands. All right, I will. Just with your hands like that, Nonna?
My hands are clean, I haven't no water all day.
Okay. You're breaking up the yeast, right?
Dissolve it with the water. But I need more water.
More water.
It's no
That's
hard.
it?
Look.
We're gonna bring it in the sink. It's easier, right, Nonna?
Yeah.
Control it with the sink.
It's the way Mama runs it.
Put too much water, you put more flour, right?
It's okay, we'll make more bread.
More bread now. Your hands are better than the machine. Look at those hands. All by the eye and in the sink. It's all done, Nonna?
It's a,
There we go.
let me wash my hands.
Buonanotte, Nonna.
Why you
Ciao.
gotta wait a minute?
I'll see you.
Eh,
Yeah, Nonna, what's up?
there's a race.
The bread has risen.
Raisin.
Yes.
They look dirty, but they're old.
No, okay.
They need it to be old.
Okay, if they're not old, it doesn't come good.
Very old. Nah, put more flowers down.
Nonna, you're dropping the flour. Hey.
You look.
Wow.
Hey.
Now you prepare the loaf, right?
Yes.
Ready for the oven. So you're making 4, right?
4.
There we go. Ready for the oven, right, Nonna?
Yeah, it's better 5 minutes. They're going to shape and smooth.
Smooth. Ah, that's the key. You gotta wait a little bit. All right, time for the oven. How long, Nonna?
Take an hour and a half.
Hour and a half. All right, we gotta wait.
That's it.
Ciao.
Bread is done.
Wow, look at that. Pane fresco.
It's hot.
Very hot. Be careful. Wow, Nonna.
Hey, what's the work?
Great job. Wow.
Beautiful.
All right, we're gonna eat all this
Bring it
bread.
upstairs, okay?